Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix live wallpapers not working on iPhone in iOS 17. So guys, if you're using iPhone and have updated version of iOS 17 and want to set live wallpapers and facing the issue that live wallpapers are not working on your iPhone. So guys, how can you fix this problem? You can simply fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings, and guys, here you will find the option of wallpapers. As you can see, you need to click on this wallpaper tab, and guys, after doing this, you will find this type of interface. As you can see, so guys, from here you can select add new wallpaper. As you can see, you need to click on this tab, and guys, from here you can change all the wallpapers live and simple as well from here. So guys, if still not find live wallpapers in this tab, then guys, simply you need to click on your app store, open your app store in your iPhone, and guys, here you need to search Wallcraft app. So guys, simply you need to click on search button, and guys, you need to search your Wallcraft, and guys, simply you need to search this. And guys, after this you need to, as you can see, here is the app. Simply you need to download this app, and guys, you can use all the wallpapers easily from here. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.